Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your Spotify recently played history. So let me show you. First of all, you have to head over to your Spotify library, and from there, as you can see, I'm not logged in yet. Just let me simply log in. So after logging into Spotify, you can just simply head over to your profile icon at the top right corner. You have to tap onto your profile icon, and from there you have to tap onto listening history. Let me show you. Tap onto listening history, and from there you can check out your listening history recently played. So now let me show you how you can remove it. Just simply tap on settings and privacy. Also you can tap onto your library option. After tapping onto it, you have to tap onto your profile icon, and then you have to tap onto privacy and social. After tapping onto privacy and social, you can see this listening activity. You can just simply turn it off, and your future listening activity won't be show you. And also you can use it for temporary hiding your listening activity from your followers. You can just toggle it off. Also you can or turn off your recently played artists if you want. And lastly, there's another option that from here you can just go to remove all downloads. Here you can see this option is storage. Tap onto it, and from there you can remove all downloads and clear cache. So this is how you can solve your problem. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you into next video.